Hi, this is Tibetan Singing Bowl, and this is a specific singing bowl. You can see the Shivlingam. There is a Shivlingam, and this produces more vibrations and more therapeutic frequencies. This is for heart chakra, and when you play this, then you heal your heart chakra. Heart chakra is the center for emotions, love, compassion, and when this is active, then you feel these kind of emotions, feelings, and love and compassions. When this is overactive, then people are more emotional, more loving, more caring, and anything which is extreme is not good for our health. So, this singing ball can heal your heart chakra. So, I'll show you how to play this. You will hold it in your palm, left palm, and your fingers will be apart. You will not hold this ball with the fingers, your fingers will remain apart. So you'll place this in your hand, and then you will use the gong stick to hit at the edge of the singing ball. This is the edge. Here you have to hit, not on the top, not on below also, but at this point. You hit it, and then you wait for some moments. So long this produces the vibrations and the frequencies, and so long it produces the healing vibrations and frequencies, you allow your corresponding chakra to imbibe, to absorb the healing vibrations, sound, and frequencies. Okay, so see how I play this and also observe how it is affecting your heart chakra. This is still vibrating. You can feel it. And when you find that its vibrations are reducing, then you hit it again. This is happening now. Now this is more reduced. So now I will hit it again. This is so healing, so vibrating, so pulsating. Now the third time I hit it. Place this close to your heart, close to the chakra, that is more effective. My heart chakra is pulsating, vibrating with this sound. So you can play any single ball several times, maybe 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, 10 times, so long you enjoy. Because this is heavier, and if you'll hold it for a long time, your arm will become strained. So it's better to use the cushion, place on the cushion here, and then you hit it. You can place your fingers inside in the center, then you hit it, and then remove your fingers, remove your hand, and enjoy. Receive the healing vibrations. when you find it is exhausting, then you hit it again. So this is how you use Tibetan Singing Bowl to heal a chakra. And you use the gong stick. There is another tool to play this singing bowl is called mallet. And this is the mallet. And to play the mallet with the mallet, you hold it again like this, and your fingers remain apart. That remains in the center of your palm. You hold the mallet like this, and you hit it once, and then move it in clockwise. And that produces constant vibrations, constant frequencies. And you can play it as long as you want. You move it at the edge, at the rim of this singing bowl, like this. This produces constant vibrations and frequencies to heal the corresponding chakra. The singing bowl has the frequency note F. F is for heart chakra. So this is how you play with the mallet. So there are two ways to play, with gong stick and with mallet. And for one chakra, you can play one singing bowl maybe for 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes. That is up to you. So in chakra healing, first you diagnose the chakra health and then you use the corresponding singing bowl. In sound healing also, you diagnose the chakra's health and then you use the corresponding required singing bowl to heal that chakra. So in the sound healing, you use the different instruments to produce the different sounds of different frequencies and vibrations of the notes, and you use that for the healing. So there are 7 chakras, 7 energy centers, and 7 notes. C is for root chakra, D is for sacral chakra, E is for solar plexus, F for heart chakra, G for throat chakra, A for third eye, and B for the crown chakra. So there are 7 notes, and you check an instrument with an application what note that instrument produces, and then you use that instrument to heal that corresponding chakra. Please try this and use this, and if you find any difficulty, please feel free to ask a question and I'll be glad to answer that. Okay, thank you. Namaste.